This
Windows.
conference will now be recorded.
In every interview, they will ask you, okay, how to handle multiple windows. And also, some people they will ask you scenario-based questions. Okay, we'll discuss most of the things regarding multiple windows today. What is multiple windows? First, we need to understand. Okay, let's open this application. Just click background. Okay, see here. Here they provided window. Click this. Here we have open home page. See here, it is opening another window. Open multiple windows. It is opening two windows. Okay, whenever you are clicking any link, then it is opening multiple windows. You need to switch to multiple windows to perform actions. Okay, you can take Naukri as well. See here, Naukri. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, if you see Naukri, right? If you scroll down, where is this home page? If you scroll down here, I think they changed this new one. Okay, if you try to click this, still it is opening in same window. Click this. Okay, see, it is not opening new window. It is opening new tab. Okay, this one also same. This is also same. Okay, this one also same. We need to switch to this windows. Then we can switch to the tabs as well. See here. Let me note on this one. Click on jobs. Jobs by location. Yeah, here. Jharkhand, Delhi. See, oh, it is opening in same. Nowadays they change this pattern. Okay, this is the home page. Yeah, here we have company. If you want to view the jobs, here it is opening new window, right? You need to know how to switch to the new tab as well. Now, if you open this, it will switch to another new tab. See, okay. We'll see how to switch to this, and also we'll see this one as well. Let's create one new class handle multiple windows or tabs. Both are same. I will take this code from here. We need to extend, right? We need to extend test base. Import this. Now at the red test public void handle multiple windows. Import this. Then we need to change the URL here. Resources config.properties. Is there any challenge to click this one? Let's see. Okay, let inspect element. Okay, I will take this URL. I don't want to change this. This is the home page, right? I'm going to take this home page. Save. Then here we need to click on Windows. Okay, inspect element. Here we are getting the text, right? We don't have any attributes. Okay, class is there, but if you take class, right, Control C, Control F, double slash H5 for all elements. Okay, developers they will design same class attributes. See, total 12 elements we have. Here we can use index as well. Okay, in future, if developer says they are not going to add any modules here, then we can use index. Okay, here I can use, but this is not best practice to use index. You are going to select the 11th one. See, by using index, if you are giving one, it will select the first item. See, two, second item, third, fourth, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, then 11th index we are going to give. Okay, but if you don't have any option, your task you need to complete immediately, you can go with this for time being, but you need to mention in comments. Okay, for time being I'm using index. I will try to write the robust expert. Okay, by using index also we can select the particular item, but here we have text, right? Try to identify text, double slash. Some people what they will do, okay, if you don't have text, right, in that scenario how can we select that? See, we are getting one of one element. Okay, still you don't want to use this text as well. Sometimes you don't have any text, we have other option. If you see here, I'm going to use find elements. See, this is the one UL. This is the class I'm going to take, double slash UL, double slash LI. We need list, right? See, total we have 12 items. Under UL, you can see always this LI tag. Okay, from this, which you need to identify H5, right? Double slash H5. Okay, now you are getting the text of each element. See, based on this text, okay, I'm going to write expert. Some people they will ask you like this only. Okay, suppose I don't know, even I don't have any element. Okay, I have list of items. Then how to handle this scenario? First, driver dot find elements. it will return list of web elements. List of web element list. You need to import both. Okay. Suppose if you have two imports, you can do manually. Suppose if you have 100 imports, it will take time. We have shortcut here. Okay, at a time you can import control plus shift plus O. Is the shortcut. It will import each and every item whichever you need. See, this is the shortcut. Control plus shift plus O. If you have 100 imports also, it will import automatically. No need to import each and everything manually. Now what we need to do, we are going to use for each loop. This is the syntax for each loop. Okay. Here we have, I can say modules. Okay. The categories. Yeah, they defined as categories, right? Let's take this as categories. Already we are storing in this list, right? Even in future, if they are adding 20 categories to 30 categories also, you can handle in this scenario because we are taking list of items. Total categories list dot size. Here, what we are doing, whatever category, okay, dot get text dot equals. If you want, you can give ignore case as well. Sometimes they will change this as small to caps. Okay, if you don't want to give equals method, we can give equals ignore case. Then take this one. Okay, dot. What we are doing? We are if it is equal, right? We are writing if condition. Then we need to click this element. After clicking, I want to wait for 5 seconds so that we can see what is happening exactly. Okay, 5 seconds. Then I want to stop here only. I don't want to continue the execution. Like this, we can use. Now, if you try to execute, right click run as test engine test. What happened? Yeah, total we have 12 categories. It is working fine. Okay. Suppose if you want to click another item, simple thing. Okay, you can take this. Now we are taking all list of elements. It is equal. Now we will navigate to the frames category. Okay, after clicking, we are waiting for 5 seconds. Now it navigated. Like this, we can deal. Some people, okay, in interview they will ask typical questions like this. Always go with this list of items. Even you can handle drop downs as well. Suppose if you don't have any select tag right in for drop down, we can do the same thing. We can take list of items using expert. Then which option you want to select, you can use get text method and you can pass that particular text. Click that particular element. Okay. In most of the interviews, they nowadays they are asking. Suppose if any drop down don't have any select tag. If you don't have select tag means we can't use predefined methods like select by index, select by value, select by visible text. Okay, these methods we can use whenever we have select type for drop down option. If you don't have, then we need to try this now. Take XPath list of items. Try to use for each loop. Iterate each and every element. Write this condition. If this is the option, then try to click that element. Now we can use same XPath, right? Okay. For each and every element, we can use only thing we need to change this text. You can create a reusable method as well. Okay. Passing this as a string, you can create a reusable method. I will tell you. Okay. If you want to order any product, right? Okay. In OpenSpan website, we'll see that one. How to pass text to the XPath. Okay. Now we are selecting this. After navigating here, okay, you need to click this one. Either ID. Let's try to search. If you have ID, before using ID, you need to search it like this. Button ID. Oh, okay. One element is there. Take this one. Driver dot find element. Y dot ID. XPath, right? We are writing. Dot click. After clicking this one, it is going to open new page, and we need to verify this text. Okay. How you will validate whether it is navigated to the new window or not? We need to write validation. Okay. We need to verify this text is available or not. H1, whether it is having H1. Take this class, double slash H1. Okay, one of one item is there. Control A, Control X. Driver dot find element. By dot XPath. Dot get text. First we need to retrieve the get text. Okay, it will return string method. String expected text equal to. Then already we are going to copy this assertion. I am going to use assertion. Assert dot assert equals here actual and expected one. Before validation, right? Okay, you need to switch to our focus. Okay, our focus will be in main window. You need to change the focus to the child window. Okay, how can we do that? After clicking this button, okay, our focus is going to the child window. We need to switch to the child window. For that, first we need to get the main window handle, which already open, right? Initially it will return string. Okay, get window handle, it will return string. This is the main window handle. If you see here, okay, this is main window. After clicking this, it is opening child window. If it is tab or new window, both are same. Those are child windows. This is the main window. We are getting the main window handle. Then we need to get the child windows as well. I will do one thing. Okay, we'll get from here. After clicking, we are going to get the child windows. Sometimes we will get two windows, three windows, four windows. We don't know exact count. That's why they defined get window handles. See here, it will return set of strings. Find elements, it will return list of web elements. Okay, some people they will get confused. Instead of string, they will tell set of web elements. Okay, don't get confused. Find elements, it will return list of web elements. Get window handles, it will return set of strings. Why set means it won't allow duplicate windows. That's why they designed in such a way that okay, find elements, it contains duplicate values. That is fine. But multiple windows, okay, there won't be any duplicate one. That's why they are storing in set of strings. These are predefined methods. Okay, no. Same by using for each loop, I can iterate each and every child windows. String, okay, this is the one. Then I'm going to define the variable windows set. Okay. Now I'm writing condition if main window handle, okay, dot equals child windows. Okay. These both are never equal, right? This is different. This is different. Child windows. Okay. I am writing to write condition not equals. Okay. If both are not equals, then we are going to switch to the child window. Driver dot switch to window. Now our focus is going to change to child windows. After changing child windows, okay, we are going to add this assertion. Then I need to close the child window. See whether it is working or not. Okay. Here nothing is there to confuse. Here we are taking the find elements. It will return list of web elements. From this we are going to select the category. Then we are going to get the main window handle. Whenever you are clicking home button, right, it is going to open the child window. To handle child windows, we are having method. Okay. Don't get confused. Get window handle, get window handles. This is singular one, this is multiple one. Single handles, okay. Get window handle, it will return string, that is main window handle. Returns an open window handle, identifies the driver instance. Current window handle. Because always we are going to open the main window handle, you can say it will return the current window handle. Get window handles, it will return the child windows. Iterate over all open windows. We don't know, okay, whether it is two or three, even sometimes five windows also. That depends on developers how they will configure. Now see whether it will work or not. Okay, now we are clicking on open home page. See, even it closed the child window as well. Okay, assertion also pass. If assertion fails, right, it won't close the window. Oh, here we have after test, right? 1 minute, let me comment this. Now try to execute. See, this is pretty much speed. We'll do one thing. Okay, after assertion, add 5 seconds here. We are halting the execution. We are not waiting for any element. Intentionally, we are halting the execution. Thread dot sleep is used for halting the execution, stopping the execution. Weights are different. Thread dot sleep is different. Okay, in interview they will ask you what is the difference between implicit weight and thread dot sleep, explicit weight and thread dot sleep. You can say them implicit weight or explicit weight. It will wait until the page elements loaded. Thread dot sleep is used for halting the text execution. Now it opened the child window. Now it is closing the child window. If you notice, it closed only child window. Still we can see the main window, because here after assertion we are closing the child window. Our focus is in child window. Don't get confused. Driver dot close means our focus in child window. It is closing the child window only. Okay. Suppose if you want to close main window, again this is also one interview question. Okay. Driver dot switch to window. Here we need to pass the main window handle. Okay. Now come, our focus is in main window. This one child window closed. Again we are coming back to the main window. Okay, I don't want to close this. I want to close the main window handle. This is the one we can use. Okay. We need to use switch to method. Okay, switch to default content. It is not related to multiple windows. We can use only with frames. Okay, whenever we are working with frames, right, there we will use switch to default content. Default content is not related to the Windows handling. That is related to the frames. Even some people, whoever they will do interview, right, they don't have clarity. Okay, default content is related to the multiple windows or frames. Okay, we are not going to use default method while handling multiple windows. If they try to do argument, you can open on Google and show them. Okay, where we need to use driver dot default content, switch to default content. Okay, like this we can do. This is our first scenario. Now, okay, this one completed, right? This is one test case. Okay, let's create another test case, or let's continue in same one. Anyway, we are going to uh, get back to the main window handle, right? Our control will be in main window handle. Now here we are going to click this. If you are clear means I will close this one as well. Okay, we are good with this, right? Let me remove this. I don't want to confuse you. Okay. Now only thing we are changing this one. We need to, instead of open home page, we are clicking this one. Here we don't have any ID. I am going to write export button. After clicking this, okay, what they are saying, find number of open windows. Total we need to get the count. We are not focusing anywhere. Okay. Just we are getting the count. That's it. System dot out dot set dot size. Total number of, right click run as text engine test. Just we are getting the count. That's it. We are not doing anything. Okay, let's see here. How many total number of open windows? Three. One main window, two child windows. Yeah, correct. This is correct. Okay, let me uncomment this. Okay, if I am uncommenting this, it will close the main window handle. I want to do that. Next, what is the scenario they are given? Close all except this window. Okay, if you are clicking this, right, it will open two child windows. Close two these child windows. Don't close this main window. Okay, this one. How can we do this? ID is there. Button. Sometimes okay. You need to perform two windows are there here. Okay, I think same IDs are there. Try to take this text here. Okay, now what is our scenario? We need to close the child windows. For that, by using for each loop, string child windows. If main window handle not equal to, we need to write condition not equals. Okay, this is the one. Dot equals child windows. Now we are going to switch to the window. This is the child windows. Now we are going to use close method. Our focus is in child windows. Here, okay, let's try to print the window size. Total number of windows. Okay, after using close method, I want to see again how many windows we have. I'm going to define outside this. Click run as any test. See, it is speed. Okay, I will add thread or sleep. Still, it is using the same instance. Okay, some people they will ask you in single line how you. Okay, here two lines of code, right? I will try to write in single line. Dot size. Driver dot get window handles dot size. This one also it will print directly. Anyway, in list in set only we have size method, right? Directly I am calling. I am not going to store in set separately. Directly I am calling. Here I will give thread dot sleep so that we can see what is happening. If you have 10 windows also, it will close the 10 windows. Okay, it is navigated here. After clicking this, it opened two child windows. Now it opened the only one. Yeah, second one also closed. Okay. Now see, before closing we have three windows. After closing we have only one. That means only main window is active. Okay, this one. Because this is very important. Okay, if you are working in real-time application, mostly we are going to deal with multiple windows. You need to know this. Okay, how to switch to the particular window. They will ask you in interview how to switch to the. Suppose you have 10 windows. Okay, you want to switch to the fifth window. How can we do that? Wait for 5 seconds. Here we can use explicit wait, or we can use any thread or sleep here. 5 seconds we can give, or we can use wait at until expected conditions. Um, Alert is present. We cannot use alert. Okay, we can use thread or sleep here. Wait for 5 seconds, or we can use explicit wait as well. But in interviews, they will ask you scenarios like this. Okay, first we have one list of items, or we can say we have menu. Need to perform mouse over. Then we need to click a link. Here we have link. Click on that link. It will open new window. Then I need to verify new window or windows. Once if you are clicking on this link, I need to verify how many windows open. Then I need to search for the text. Search for the text or any button. Okay, button available in which window. I don't know exactly. Okay, in which window it is available, this button. We need to verify this button. Here first what we are going to do for performing mouse over, you can use actions class. Actions equal to new action. It will take WebDriver reference as argument. Actions dot move to element. Which element you want to perform mouse over? Driver dot find elements by dot id any categories dot perform. Here we are performing single action, right? You can use perform method alone. Then we have link here. We are going to click that link, driver dot find element by dot link text. Whenever they are mentioning link means, okay, link contains link text. You can imagine this as a link. Mm, what is the example you need to think? There is the link, open multiple windows. Okay, you can write anything. What we need to do? We need to click that link. Then it will open the child windows. To handle child windows, right? First we need to get the main window handle. Then driver dot get window handles. It will return set of string. Here by using for each loop string in set we have, right, child windows. Here what is our target? Okay, we need to switch to the each and every window, and we need to search for the here child windows. Okay. Here also we'll get one if condition. Here if main window handle not equals child windows, then driver dot switch to window. Which window? And now our focus is in child windows. Now again we need to write in another if condition. If what we are searching for? We are searching for web element. Okay. If it is button means, okay, just we are going to verify whether it is displayed or not. Mm, for this, what I will do? Driver dot find element by dot id save button. Okay, I'm looking for search button, save button that is displayed. Okay, once this element is displayed, what I need to do? I need to get that particular browser title or child window title. Driver dot get window or get title. Okay, driver dot get title. Print that title and stop here. Paste title. Then we are going to stop here. So that by seeing this title, you can able to identify. In this particular page, we are having this button. Like this, we are going to write the scenarios. They will give scenario-based questions like this. And sometimes they will give a drop down as well instead of mouse over. If you are selecting any or if you want to click any this one, so that they will cover all like actions, select, and also multiple windows in three scenarios. Just okay, think okay, how we need to implement this. Okay, for performing mouse over, just write this code. Then imagine that okay, we have link text. This is the link text. Click that element. Then main window handles, tail window handles. Here, this is for writing. Switching to the child window. This is the condition. After switching, we are going to identify this button. Driver find element is this. If it is boolean, then it is going to print that particular page title and stop the execution. Okay, with this we are going to close the multiple windows as well. Here same, switch to new tab also same thing can use. Naukri.com. Okay, here we need to identify this element. Then whether we have list here, I will try to identify. See in this div, okay, they defined everything. Premium collection. These are the premium companies list. Based on the text, we can write XPath. Okay, here we can take text. Control C, Control F, double slash. Okay, this one you try as a task. Okay, tab and Windows both are same. You need to click this one. After clicking this, we need to switch to the child window. Then here connect with Synchron. Okay, why join us? Click this why join us. Okay, then here here we have right awards and recognitions. Under this, how many awards we have? You need to print everything. Okay, this one please try to complete this as a task. Okay, tomorrow onwards I am going to start with. Still we have few concepts I will cover in while designing framework. I am going to start with page object model with reusable methods. Okay. This is one design pattern. You need to know how to define the elements. What is the advantage in each and every interview they will ask you what is the advantage of page object model. We can categorize the pages. We can avoid duplication of code. We can reuse page object methods in multiple test scripts. First thing it is this is one of the design pattern. You need to start with this. This is one of the design pattern where we categorize the pages. It is easy to identify. Why we are categorizing pages? It is easy to maintain. In future, okay, I will tell you tomorrow exactly what is this page object model, how we are going to categorize. You can use two methods. One is by objects, another one page factory also there. This is also one framework. Framework is nothing but it is predefined skeleton. Okay, each and every organization they are maintaining frameworks. It is easy to automate. If you have framework in place, only thing you need to do, right, capturing page objects, that is element locators you need to identify and design page objects, all the reusable methods, and add assertion. This is our job, that's it. And sometimes, okay, even if you have any manual testing team, they will prepare the test data as well. Most of the companies they will maintain test data generators as well, like first name, last name. Instead of giving manually, they will use some tools as well. Big organizations, suppose you have any SBI application, you need to register with 1,000 users. You can't able to give random data, right? That is impossible. Manually, you cannot give. That's why we can generate the tools as well. We have tools like this test generator. See, only thing, what are the fields you need to give? Row number, row type. Okay, what is the row type? Then in which for how many rows you want to create. If you want to add another field, you can add as well. Select this. If you want to change 2000 data, yes, you can do. In which format you want to download? Excel, CSV. These are the test data generators. Only thing you need to give the last name, email. It will create the random data with 1,000 users. Download the data and you can feed that to our test script. Okay. Then after this page object model, we start with Cucumber. Please try to complete the task. See you tomorrow. Bye.